Is your Android phone suddenly missing its back button, leaving you lost in a sea of apps and menus? Don't worry, we've all been there, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that essential back button back, ensuring smooth and easy navigation. First, let's dive into your phone's settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the notification shade and then tap on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you find the display or navigation option. The name may vary depending on your Android version. Tap on it. Here, you should see options for navigation bar or system navigation. Look for options like gesture navigation or button navigation. If gesture navigation is selected, tap on button navigation to enable the traditional 3-button layout, which includes the back button. Some phones allow you to customize the button order. Ensure the back button is positioned where you prefer it. If you still don't see the back button, try restarting your phone. This can often resolve minor software glitches. And that's it. With these simple steps, you should have your back button back and be navigating your Android phone with ease. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.